Talking today about speeding with local police. Joining us now are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it's always great to see you.
Nobody would ever accuse us of speeding. We drive like old women. Very slow.
I am not a fast
Well,
driver.
this question is allegedly from John in Knoxon. However, I wonder if it's really Greg from Fellerman and Saramboli.
It might
So let's
be.
find out. Here I was driving around Harveys Lake and I was pulled over for doing 41 by the local police department. I was told I could beat the ticket. Is that true? Should John in Knoxon here try to beat the ticket?
John, actually, you should. And, you know, being Harveys Lake, that particular roadway is patrolled by the local police. It's 35 miles per hour, but they can't, it's a quirky provision in the law. They actually can't ticket you unless you're going 46 miles per hour. I'll let Greg talk a little bit more about the specifics of it. But to answer your question, can you beat that ticket? Yes, you can.
Well, that's true, and there is this law. There's a law in the books regarding law enforcement and local law enforcement pulling people over for speeding. So, believe it or not, I can't believe it's on the books. It's really one of the dumbest laws I've ever heard, but for some reason it's out there, and hopefully the legislature will change that so they'll allow the police officer to do their job and pull people over. But to answer your question specifically, the local police can only pull over 10 miles an hour. The state police, however, with radar, can pull over for 5 miles an hour over. So, and I want to thank the Luzerne County District Attorney's Office for giving me some information on this. They were very helpful in helping me research this issue because I'm actually working with Harveys Lake to try to make the roads a little bit safer out there, and they've been very helpful in helping me address that issue. But that did come up. That's a legitimate question.
And is this from just Harveys Lake or is it any local police
Local.
department?
It's like the radar statute. It's crazy. But
It is crazy. It is
Yeah.
crazy. The legislature definitely needs to change that
I mean,
law.
there's some technology issues that they're trying to address, but you know, the law's the law. If you're doing 30, 36, and a 35, technically you're breaking the law, but not under this.
Yeah. And especially, you know, if you have a 65-mile-an-hour roadway, and you know, local police wouldn't be able to pull you over unless you're going 11 miles over. That's fast. It's just too fast.
It sure is. Now, no matter what your legal question is, whether or not they could answer it, they will refer you if they have to. How can our viewers reach you?
Call us 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll catch you next time.
See you tomorrow.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are open for your questions.